La da, 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 la da, She just wanna smack like those niggas ain't no bleachers. Staring at your leaders, you squared in a pizza. Slide in the DMs, no visa. I be moving mountains, telekinesis. I should be somebody important, right? Teacher, policeman, president impeachment. Dope ass season, scamming with a smile. My pleasure to be thieving.
Y'all see what it is. We back out here at Southern Tire, you dig? And I got the lovely La Coca behind me. Oh yeah. Yeah. And basically what I'm gonna do for y'all today, I'm just gonna give y'all a download of you know, everything that I did with the truck, everything that we got going on with the truck. And I'm gonna start with just a few things, not too many things, but enough things, if you get what I'm saying. I keep looking over here because I see myself right here, but y'all are right there. So I'm gonna keep my eyes on y'all because I know what's going on. So starting right now, you can see it. We got the Axe 24x14 compression forged wheels. They're nice. They're really nice. They were actually black in the inside. You can't see them, but I did paint them that color shift. We got the tires, the Versa tires. Shout out to Versa tires with the 36x14.5 tire. That's crazy. 36x14.5 tire. And just so you get an understanding, yes, squared off, my wheels are protected. You get what I'm saying? My wheels are protected. So besides that, I had to Frankenstein it a little bit. The coils are painted white. These are Rough Country's 6-inch lifted struts. They actually kind of lifted my truck up probably about 7 inches to be exact, but we gonna roll with it. Besides that being painted, I also painted the upper control arms, as you can see there, and I painted the, what is this called, the spindle, right? Now this is the same color shift that I got on the front right here. On top of that, we got the McGowies. Oh man, the crossover is crazy. I actually have LEDs running the inside. Y'all gonna be able to see that on the B-roll, you feel me? And what I did right here was I took this plate off and I put a reflective vinyl behind it. So any color, I actually have LEDs back here, any color that I actually put on there, they're gonna reflect, which is crazy. They're gonna reflect. So I could just basically change it up to whatever I want to change it up to. And as you always also see, the lower control arms are painted as well. Everything is done pretty good, man. I mean, if you ask me, camera, get the camera to work. Y'all know what it is, bro. City Country Hero, bro. We don't edit, you dig? We got Alex in the back, AKA that wild bow tie. Y'all see him? Y'all see him? Yep. He back there, bro. He chilling, bro. Hey, say something uplifting right quick. Hurry up on a quick trip.
Can I cuss?
Yeah, you cuss. I don't care.
This fucking bread.
Right, bread gang. Y'all see him over there? We about to also get him some photos and some little B-roll shoots, make him look real pretty and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? Keep the visual clean. You feel me? Keep the visual clean, bro. He dancing right now, bro. Y'all can't see him. He jigging.
I feel like I got so much more energy in other people's videos.
Hey, I think he has a lot of energy, and I think you say a lot of dope stuff, man. Every time I see your stuff, man, I feel like you're not just talking. It's almost like you're preaching a little bit. I love it though. It's like uplifting, man.
I keep so much, like, you ever heard the term, the happiest people, like some of the happiest people are the most depressed?
Y'all watch what he's saying.
You know what
man.
I mean? I feel like that's the way I am. Like I deal with so much going on inside myself that part of the reason I keep myself motivated is by helping motivate other people.
He definitely motivates me.
I mean?
He's definitely motivating me because I wasn't gonna shoot this video today.
Motivate other people to motivate me. Does that make sense?
Definitely makes
sense.
sense.
The only way that I can get past my own shit is to, put it out there, be out there. You know what I mean? I like that other people. You're one of the only people that really films around me. You know that?
Really?
I need more people to film around me. Yeah, I always.
But they be scared. They be scared, bro. Don't be scared, bro. I say whatever.
People do. They are. I get scared sometimes too.
He down to earth. I don't know why. I don't know why.
Scared. I don't know.
Maybe they truck too high.
I'm just Alex. That's all it is.
He's not just Alex. He's definitely that wide bow tie.
That's my cousin.
Also known as Alex. On the weekend.
I got a good vibe though. I don't get to be. I don't want to say I'm not myself in my videos, but it's just a different vibe when you have to hold the camera and film everything. I really get to be myself when other people film me.
I feel you.
It's different. You know what I mean?
And he get to be a part of the creation. And he is a creator. You hear me? He is a creator.
Creating dreams.
Creator. And he young, man. He about to YouTube about to be. Only reason y'all better be on y'all shit, bruh. Cause the only reason y'all even above him, if you are, cause I'm definitely not. I got like 170 subscribers due to this video right now. But if y'all are above him right now, bro, the only reason y'all above him, cause he chilling.
Everybody
He chilling.
One thing I've had to learn in my life, everybody glows up. Everybody gets their time at different times.
Exactly. And the time is yours. It sure not look like his.
Trust the process. Trust in the process. It ain't
Trust in
gonna
the
happen today,
process.
it ain't gonna happen tomorrow. But I guarantee you, if I had 1 million subscribers today, I wouldn't know what to do with it. I'm given what I'm able to deal with. You know what I mean?
Does anybody with 1 million subscribers know what to do with him?
When the time is right, the time is right. Do I think it should happen sooner? Do I feel like I'm underrated? Absolutely, but it is what it is.
Definitely underrated, but y'all know what it is. I mean, we can go watch a Whistling Diesel video right now, but
One thing-
do you feel like you are actually a part of that video? Do you feel like he makes you feel like the audience, or does he make you feel like you were there doing the shooting? You know what I mean? Like he makes you feel connected.
One thing they won't be able to say about us is when our shit does pop off, that
It's done, bruh.
nobody will ever be able to tell me we don't deserve this shit. Ever.
Ever.
If y'all knew
Ever.
the shit that I deal with to make these videos and just be what I am for you guys, nobody's ever gonna tell us we don't deserve this shit. Ever.
Ever. I don't care what kind of bread it is, bro. White bread, whole wheat, the grain, the honey nut bread, whatever, bro.
do it for the
The
end
cinnamon
pieces.
raisin, bro.
I do it for the end pieces. The end pieces get no love. That's why I'm here. Show some love to the end pieces. That's still bread.
Bro, we from the South, bro. Everybody eat end pieces. I eat end pieces.
Thank you.
Y'all eat end pieces?
Thank you.
Hey, man, leave it down in the comment, bro. Do y'all eat the end pieces, bro? Are y'all really about the bread game, or do y'all just like some of the bread? Because we like all the bread. We like all...
Bagels.
What?
Are crackers bread? Crackers are
We missed that. Whatever.
crackers are bread, right? It's like
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
bread.
Yeah.
It's toast.
Yeah,
right?
that's bread.
bagels,
Bagels.
baguettes, sub rolls,
Muffins.
muffins,
Mhm.
cake.
Cake.
Similar.
Cake.
Is a muffin
It's bread, bro.
is
It's
a muffin
it's
bread without icing? Is a cupcake bread with icing?
Wait, you said muffin?
They're different kinds of dough, though. Cake is batter. Bread is dough.
What about cinnamon rolls?
That's bread. That's
I'm not
dough.
gonna cut this, bro. I'm just
That's
gonna we
dope.
just gonna play this out. I'm just gonna. Hey, man, you know what? This the video today, bro.
Let's get this bread.
Y'all heard what he said, bro. Let's get this bread. He did not stutter. He meant it, and he meant it all, bro. Hey, he talking about he been losing too many followers. Boy got like 30K, bro. Look. Look. La Coca, bro. Looking fancy. You dig? Woo! Y'all saw my camera. But y'all know what it is, bro. So we was just there in the moment with Alex, aka that wild bow tie. You feel me? And he was giving us a lowdown on basically, you know, how to inspire yourself and what to inspire yourself with. You know what I'm saying? Y'all get what I mean, bro. Let's get to it, bro. Hit the beat, bro.